of futuristic transport modes. The self-driving metropolis. The cityscape is a blend of towering skyscrapers with integrated greenery. Below, the streets are filled with sleek, autonomous electric cars that glide effortlessly, communicating via AI-powered networks. Pedestrians walk freely as self-driving vehicles halt automatically for them. Some cars morph into mini-pods, detaching into two smaller units when necessary. Drone taxis hover above, silently ferrying passengers to their destinations. Holographic traffic signs change dynamically based on real-time data. Hyperloop expressways. A group of commuters enters a futuristic Hyperloop station. The architecture is sleek, with glass tunnels revealing high-speed, vacuum-sealed pods lined up for boarding. Passengers step into luxurious, spacious capsules, and with a soft hum, the Hyperloop pods accelerate to supersonic speeds, covering distances in minutes. Digital assistants inside the pods provide updates and entertainment, while magnetic levitation ensures a smooth ride. The Aero Rail Hybrid. In another part of the city, the Aero Rail Hybrid, a train-like structure that lifts off into the air, prepares for takeoff. Using a combination of magnetic propulsion and vertical lift technology, it detaches from the track and soars over traffic. Commuters enjoy breathtaking city views as AI pilots navigate with precision, avoiding congested routes. Oceanic Maglev Transports. A coastal transport hub showcases magnetically levitated sea trains that skim across the water's surface. These high-speed floating vessels use electromagnetic propulsion to travel between continents in record time. Luxury cabins allow passengers to experience an oceanic voyage without turbulence. The system is powered by renewable energy harnessed from tidal and solar sources. Underground pneumatic pods. Beneath the city, a network of underground pneumatic transport tubes operates. Passengers step into sleek, bullet-shaped pods that are vacuum-sealed and propelled through tunnels at incredible speeds. These subterranean routes ease surface congestion while offering a noiseless, emission-free way to travel. Personal flying vehicles. Above the city skyline, personal air vehicles, PAVs, maneuver through designated aerial corridors. These compact flying cars use vertical takeoff and landing (VTOL) technology, making urban travel effortless. Equipped with AI co-pilots, the vehicles navigate through the sky, ensuring collision-free movement. Charging stations are positioned on rooftops, allowing users to recharge their vehicles mid-route. Space elevator departure. At the heart of a futuristic spaceport, travelers prepare to board a space elevator. A colossal tower extends beyond Earth's atmosphere, allowing passengers to enter orbit without traditional rocket launches. Inside, the elevator cabins provide artificial gravity and breathtaking views of space as they ascend smoothly toward the stars. Autonomous cargo drones. In industrial zones, fleets of autonomous cargo drones transport goods across cities. These drones are integrated into an AI logistics network, optimizing delivery routes and reducing congestion. Hyper-efficient, they replace traditional trucks, making deliveries faster, safer, and eco-friendly. Underwater city commuters. Deep beneath the ocean, transparent submarine pods transport passengers to underwater cities. These submarines glide through marine tunnels, offering stunning views of aquatic life. Controlled by AI, they ensure a seamless transition between land and sea-based travel hubs. The Mars Transport Hub. In a Mars colony, a network of autonomous rovers, Hyperloop tunnels, and spaceports connects different settlements. Passengers board solar-powered land crawlers, while low-gravity hover trains glide over the Martian surface, making inter-settlement travel efficient and accessible. In the conclusion, I would like to say that this futuristic world is an interconnected network of intelligent transport systems driven by sustainable energy and cutting-edge AI. These advancements revolutionize the way humans commute, making travel faster, safer, and environmentally friendly, bringing the dream of seamless mobility to life.